This is Cyndy G, and in this video we are assembling the lamb belly box. So I am going to start by folding everything on the score lines. And this is the back side. I'm working on the back side of my piece right now, or the outside. And I'm going to put these three, 1, 2, 3 panel pieces on. And I am missing one. There it is. Now there is a slight border all the way around, so just line that up. This piece, the front piece, does have a slight curve to the top, so make sure you're putting that on the correct way. And again, account for the border all the way around it. For the little feet, you're just going to put these two together. Just like that. Okay, now flip it over. This panel piece goes on the inside. And you need to put it on before you put the head on. And then we're going to pull in the pieces here for the face. I just want to check one thing real quick. Okay. So I'm going to put glue around the eyes and the nose, and then around the outside of this piece. I'm going to pop up the hair on the front here. And then glue this in place. go ahead and glue the sides. There we are. Get some more glue just right here. Okay. Then we're going to glue our little feet to the front. And add our bow. And there is the lamb belly box. Thank you for joining me.